We are the students of HLC, Human Life Center, Bhubaneswar. And today, we want to share our experience with you.
When I first joined HLC, I struggled to speak confidently. I understood English, but I couldn't express myself freely.
But after joining HLC, everything changed. Here, we learn through activities.
Group discussions, pair conversations,
Role plays and lots of speaking practice.
The trainers are really supportive. They correct our mistakes, they teach us the correct pronunciation and speak and encourage us to speak without fear.
And the environment here is so friendly. We all learn together, help each other, and grow together.
In just a few weeks, I can feel the difference in my confidence and in my fluency.
The thing that I like the most about HLC is that learning is practical. We don't just study English, we use English every day.
If you want to speak confidently,
Communicate clearly,
Start your journey today.
And let confidence be your new language.
And improve your personality. Join HLC, Human Life Center.
Bhubaneswar.